We are pleased to show you the 2020 Spark. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, internet radio, tune in, trip computer, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance.